So, like I said, my dad did it for years, so I saw that growing up. And then on my 11th birthday, I actually was given the option between a horse or a dirt bike. My dad, of course, wanted me to get a dirt bike, and my mom wanted me to get a horse. And I literally had the option, and I chose dirt bike. So, kind of the rest there is history. But that's when I got my first and only dirt bike. It's still the dirt bike I ride today, which I've talked about in past videos, but that's how I got into it.
Yeah.